So children, welcome back to the next topic, that is electroplating. Now you might have seen a new bicycle. That time it has got shiny handlebars, shiny wheel rims, etc. But then when you fall down or some accidents happen or some scratches come, naturally the handlebar will have a dull look. The wheel rim also will have a dull look. So what can be done? We can do something called electroplating. Similarly, gold ornaments, having a gold coating outside, but they also after a few days or few weeks, the gold coating just goes off. So in such cases, we can use a very nice, a very simple method called electroplating. What is electroplating? It is a coating of one metal over the other in order to protect the surface, in order to make the surface look more bright and beautiful. So this is an application of electric current. Let us see how it is done with the help of a very simple activity. Now, as you can see on the screen, an activity in which you have taken 250 milliliter of distilled water in a clean and dry beaker. You are adding 2 teaspoons of copper sulfate, CuSO4, in it. To make the solution more conducting, we add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid, because I have told you acid solutions are good conductors. Now clean copper plates with sandpaper. Rinse these plates with water and dry them. With the help of the wires, you are connecting the copper plates to the battery and you dip them in copper sulfate solution, as you can see on the screen. Keep this in solution for 15 minutes, allowing the current to flow through the solution. After about 15 minutes, remove the electrodes from the solution and observe them carefully. Do you see any coating over the plate? Yes. What is the color of the coating? To which terminal is it connected? On careful observation, your observation is that you can find a reddish brown coating on one of the plate, showing that it has become copper plate. And you can find that the coated plate is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Children, now what exactly has happened? The process that has happened is when electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate dissociates. It has got dissociates means breaks up into two types of ions. What are they? They are the copper ions and the sulfate ions. Copper ions are positively charged and the sulfate ions are negatively charged. The free copper gets drawn or gets attracted to the electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery and they get deposited on it. As you can see on the screen, CuSO4, copper sulfate, is getting dissociated. What is dissociation? It is the separation of ions. Ions means charged particles. Copper is positively charged ions and the sulfates are negatively charged ions. So dissociation takes place and the free copper ions are getting attracted to the electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery and it is getting deposited there. But what about the loss of copper from the solution? From the other electrode, a copper plate, an equal amount of copper gets dissolved in the solution. So thus, the loss of copper from the solution is just maintained and this process continues. That means the copper goes on getting transferred from one electrode to the another. So in this way, electroplating takes place. Copper atoms move from the plate connected to the positive terminal and moves over to the plate connected to the negative terminal. In this way, the process continues and this is a very important application of electric current and is called electroplating. As you can see on the screen, coating of copper is there on that electrode and the copper that is getting deposited, it gets transferred. So this process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material with the help of electricity is called electroplating. Electroplating has got many applications in our daily life. As I showed you in the beginning, it is used to coat the gold ornaments. It is used in the coating of your dull parts of your cycle or any other metallic parts. And it has got many other applications in our daily life. Okay, so with that, we come to the end of this topic, that is electroplating. So it is also an important application of chemical effect of electric current. Thank you.